Let us open the cover. This is the box which I got today. I removed tape already. You can see the nice packaging. The first view is the camera, bottom of which other things are hidden. Let me open the cover and show you the camera and other stuffs which are included in the camera. Here you can see the small specification of this camera and additional mounts which you are receiving with the camera. This is the front box. It comes in multicolor. It comes in pink, yellow, orange. These are different mounts, clips for cycle mounting, for motorbike mounting, for helmet. Let's open the actual device. This is the camera, the first product. Number 2 for helmet, number 3 for cycle, again number 4, number 5, number 6 for hand grip, number 7 again for cycle mounting, number 8 for USB cable. Now we have the user manual. They have explained pretty much everything in user manual, so it takes no time to install it. It's very easy. As you can see, they have given the meaning or the understanding of all the buttons you have in the camera. Let's keep it aside. Let me show you the actual product. These are the case which you're gonna get with the camera, and the camera is inside. This is used for cycle mounting. It has a good grip between those plastics so that your cycle shaking will not impact your camera quality. As you can see, it's actually pretty much good. And these are hand screwed, so you don't want any tool. Let me keep it aside. So there you go, a small screw for again cycle mounting. The quality of plastic is pretty much very good. There is no complaint. Again, a small screw for mounting. They have given a small case where you can put the screw in, and this is that case where your camera goes in. This is made up of plastic. I mean, almost like metal, it seems. Yeah, it's like metal half and plastic. The quality is too good. And this is used for your helmet mounting, and this is also of good plastic. This is the camera, and this is a mount. This is a case, and it's clearly written it's a waterproof case. There is a smaller button over here which you press and the case opens, and there you get the camera. This camera branding is done by Hampton. It weighs around 340 grams and it can resist up to 30 meter of water and records in full HD 1080 pixel. The screen size are pretty impressive. It's around 2-inch LCD display which comes with HDMI compatibility. The batteries are inbuilt, so you don't need to buy any additional batteries, and batteries are 900 milliampere rechargeable battery. Once you recharge, it's gonna last for 1.5 hours. It has very good wide quality angle. I'll show you the recording outside my streets also, and it has a 120-degree angle, as I said. This casing is very fit and very easy to install. There is a clip over there which is used to uncase or remove or open the case. The mounting can be easily installed like this. All are hand used. I mean, you don't need to use any tools to install these mounts. This will be for your helmet. I just try to show you close as close as possible. It's too tight, and it's, as I said, it's of good quality too. So once get installed, I'm not sure whether it will not break. It seems it's too hard and too tight, as you can see. This is your case. Now you have to screw this first. I'm sorry, this one. Screw this small screw first. Then that's your camera case made up of steel, and that goes in there. You can use the second option also if you want, and you have to use additional screw to fix this. And for cycle mounting, it's pretty easy. Just insert it, get a screw, and that's all. You have mounted it. Your camera goes in reverse order by this way, and the camera will not gonna fall. And there's a clip on top which I can't show clearly here in this video, but the clip is too impressive, and this is how it looks like on your cycle. And that's too impressive. Let me remove that. Let's do a water testing on this case. What I'm going to do, I'm going to insert this sticky pad paper inside the waterproof casing, and we're going to put this into my fish tank. Let's see. So I have a fish tank here. This is the waterproof casing with the paper inside it. I just dropped it. My fish is trying to do something, but of course they cannot do anything. I'm trying to immerse it inside the water to check out how good is it, and try to hold inside water for around 20 seconds. Yeah, even a single drop goes inside, that's gonna create some problem to your camera. So if I see single water droplets on my paper, it means this casing is not good. I just removed it. It's on my table, and this is how it looks like. My hands are little wet, but I make sure my hands wetness will not go fall on top of this paper. There you go with the paper. This paper, not even I see one droplet of water. It's neat and clean. This proves that this is very good quality one. Yeah, one of the coolest option what I see here is that you can see your video on the small tiny screen. As you can see, I just recorded these videos outside my house, and there is a button where you can see all the images and videos. Even if you want to play this video, you can play. As you can see clearly, the video is played, and you can hear slight voice of me talking in that video. It's too low that you can't hear on this recording, but still they have a tiny speaker on this. This is your on off button. If I press and hold, or if I tap it, now it takes me to the settings, and they have around 6 pages of settings. As you can see here: loop recording, record audio, exposure, camera resolution, quality, fast preview, delay picture, delete, protect, volume, format, language, auto power off. They even have screensaver, default settings, frequency, date time, and version. It's running with latest version, as you can see, the HD one. It's pretty impressive to see a camera worth 999 having so much of options inbuilt in it. Press and hold, it will say you bye bye. This is recording outside the streets. And the clarity is pretty much good. While driving you can read the bike numbers and all. This is from my terrace.
You can see the coverage. We do have here. Zoom it seems. But there is some button.